Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the founder of the Vocalist Studio and CourseCREEK, and I will be your teacher and coach during this course. I've been teaching and coaching personally in front of a camera like this for over 25 years. In particular, my experience comes from years on YouTube and producing numerous video-oriented online courses just like this, and also from coaching do-it-yourself on-camera tips and techniques to my clients at our eLearning agency. I've logged countless hours in front of a camera, and now I've created this simple little course for anyone who would like to level up on their camera appearance. These techniques will show you how to look great every time you are in front of a camera for meetings, for social media, or producing content that sits behind a paywall. You know, it's a fact that when you look good on camera, it will be perceived as confidence in your product and service by people that want to buy from you. Customers will take action from people they like and from people who project confidence in their presentations. Here's what you're going to learn from this course. First, we're going to go over some do-it-yourself gear recommendations that will enable you to look professional for under $400 to $600 in gear. This will cover lighting, audio, lavaliers, best cameras, and accessories. I'm then going to give you a tutorial on how to plug it all in and set it all up so you know how to use the gear that are recommended. And then we're going to move on to learning how to frame a shot so there's visual balance in your shot. We're going to learn how to slate to make editing easier. And you're going to learn how to gesticulate in a way that helps enhance your messaging. And the part that I think is the most fun is you're going to learn 3 to 4 great backgrounds you can use right around you right now that you're not aware that are in your home and in your studio that can look great as backgrounds like this. And I'm going to show you how to simulate a cyclorama effect without going into a professional studio. And last but not least, I'm going to help you to understand the different kinds of videos you will want to make for your online business, and even how to take about 10 years off your face when on camera so you can look great every time. It's sort of fun. I look forward to showing that to you. This course is for anyone seeking to appear more confident and more put together in their presentations on camera. It's for anyone that would like to level up the appearance of their YouTube videos and online course content. It's for anyone that would like to be the person that looks great on camera in virtual meetings. And of course, it's for anyone that is interested in do-it-yourself options to spending lots of money on professional video studios. So, if you're serious about learning how to look confident and professional and put together on camera so that your products and services are perceived to be professional and put together by your customers and your audience, join me in this course. And I'll see you on the inside, and we'll all come out the other end looking great.